Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to navigate the Wave dashboard. Now when you log in, you're going to land on the dashboard overview. This gives you a snapshot of your cash flow, your unpaid invoices, and your expenses. On the left hand side is your navigation menu, with options like sales, purchases, accounting, banking, and reports. The sales tab lets you to manage invoices, customers, and products. For the purchase, this is for entering expenses and for managing vendors. The accounting includes transactions, chart of accounts, and journal entries, whereas the banking lets you connect and manage bank accounts and credit cards. Finally, a report gives access to profit loss, to balance sheets, and to many more. That's your dashboard in a nutshell. Get familiar with each tab and you'll be using them often and like a pro, so you won't make any mistakes once you're overly familiar with exactly what each section does and how to access them. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one.